3251, left turn on Mike 6, and then left on Bravo, contact ground 1 off.
Left on Mike 6 and then left on Bravo, contact ground 1 off, 3251.
Southwest 74, left tower, runway 31 right, clear to land.
Tower, Yellowstone 11 is with you, visual from the left side.
Southwest 74, left tower, you up. 060 at 6, gust 2 tree. Clear to land, left side. Left tower, Southwest 25, 31, with you, visual, 3 1. Southwest 20. Tower, Southwest 46.3, visual, 2 on final. Southwest 46.3, left tower, runway 31 left, clear to land, wind 080 at 5, gust 2 trees. 31 left, clear to land, Southwest 46.3, gate 17 correct. Southwest 696, right on Charlie 7, contact ground. Charlie 7, 696. Seven Romeo X-ray, contact low center park. Going to park, Steve. X-ray 566, left tower, runway 318, RNF 2, Barry, clear for takeoff.
RNF Barry 3 right, clear for takeoff, X-ray 566.
Southwest 25, 31 right on Charlie 7, contact ground. Right Charlie 7, ground. X-ray 566, contact Lone Star departure.
Lone Star, X-ray 566, good day.
And up Tower, Flight 2. Air Flight 2, left tower, level altimeter 301 tree, cleared into the clouds above our airspace ident, and verify altitude 1,400.
Ident 1,400 for Methodist for KF 213.
Air Flight 2, ident observed and radar contact 2 miles northeast of Dallas Executive.
Drop guidance. Yeah, we will report landing short and message for Kevin.
Southwest 4623, right on Charlie 6, contact ground.
Charlie 6, Southwest 4623.
Tower 80 Bravo, visual 319. Remember 80 Bravo, left tower runway 31 right, clear to land.
Right, clear to land.
EasyJet 393, left tower, RNF2 Nolan, runway 31 left of takeoff. RNAV Nolan, 31 left, clear for takeoff, it's at 39.